In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create members-only pages on your Wix website. If you want certain pages on your site to be visible only to logged-in members, Wix makes that process pretty simple. This is a great option if you're building exclusive content, private resources, special member areas, or any section of your website that shouldn't be available to the general public. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means so you can choose the access setting that fits your site best. To get started, go to the top left area of your Wix editor and click on Pages. This will open the sidebar where you can view the pages on your website. If you have a lot of pages, take a second to locate the one you want to protect, since this is the page you'll be adjusting access for. From there, click Manage Pages. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the settings for the selected page on the right-hand side. This section is where Wix gives you control over important page options, including visibility and access permissions. Next, click Manage Access. This is the key setting that allows you to decide who can view the page. When the access options open, choose Members. Selecting this tells Wix that the page should no longer be open to every visitor, and instead should be limited to members based on the rule you choose. After that, you'll see a few different member access options. You can select all site members if you want any registered member of your website to be able to access the page. This is usually the best choice if the page is meant for your entire member community. If you need more control, you can instead choose members with roles, plans, or badges. That option is useful when you want to give access only to specific types of members, such as people on a paid plan, members with a certain role, or users who have been assigned a particular badge. This gives you a more customized members-only experience and helps you organize private content more effectively. Once you've selected the option that works for your page, click Save, and that's it. Your page is now set up as a members-only page on your Wix website. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to review your member settings and test the page experience to make sure the correct audience can access it. That way you can be confident everything is working exactly the way you want.